In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can add a rollover image to our website. Now the first thing we need to do is open up one of our pages. So select one of your HTML pages. I'm going to go with my home page. Wait for it to load. Okay, now what I would like to do is add a rollover image to this CO2 picture here, so that when I hover my mouse over, the image changes to something else. Now to do that, I'm just actually going to take it out first of all. So I click on the image and select delete. I then go to insert at the top, image objects, and rollover image. Now in the original image section here, I need to select an image that I'd like to appear on the page before I hover my mouse over. So I click on Browse, and I'm going to click in my AO2 Optimized Images folder and select the CO2 picture. So click OK. I now need to select a rollover image so that when I roll my mouse over the original image, a new one will appear. So I click on Browse, and this time I'm going to select a different picture. So I'm going to select the Ashton Towers logo and click OK. I'm also going to add some alternative text. Now the alternate text will appear when you hover your mouse over the picture as well. Now if you want to, you can also add a web address in here of a website that would tell people more about CO2. To do that, you'll just need to go to Google, search CO2 and find an appropriate website. Once you're happy with all these settings, just click OK. Now as you can see, the picture's coming quite big, so I'm just going to click on the picture until I get the black squares around the edge and just drag it in to make it a more appropriate size. Then double click on my table. Okay, now we've added a rollover. Next important thing to do is to save our page. So you File, Save. And then if you press F12 on your keyboard, we'll be able to preview our rollover image. So hit F12. And just wait for the page to load. Hopefully it will load sometime this year. Here we go. Now if I hover my mouse over the CO2 picture, hopefully it will change to the logo. You should also notice help reduce CO2, the alternate text is appearing as well. So that's a rollover image. Now it's your turn. I'd like you to add 4 rollover images to your website.